honey roast ham. It's absolutely delicious and you can eat it hot or cold. Tonight we're having a cold supper. I show you. But I'm going to show you how Roger creates a honey roast ham. And in England we are able to start off with raw ham. Not all countries have that. Oh, that's a pan boiling over. Not all countries will let you buy it like that. I think in Canada you can mostly only buy it pre-cooked. In which case you can probably just do the later stage that I'm going to show you of how to honey and sugar it. Anyway, this is one of my favourites. Let's go. Let me show you the first process.
20 minutes per pound.
20 minutes per pound. And look, it's just sitting there in the liquid.
This is hot.
Put it down, put it down. So how that's going to be what, an hour or two?
An hour and 20, then half an hour roasting.
They're cooked. They're going to come out. What will be the following stage, Roger?
Take off all the string and skim.
Okay. What will we do with the water? You couldn't use it for a soup?
You could.
Pea and ham soup?
You could, if you could be bothered.
I am the soup maker. Maybe I will. So the meat has a netting. Can you actually see that around it? And that will come off next. Is that to help hold the whole thing together?
Yeah.
So you can get a presentation ham at the end. The steam is obscuring the view. So you're going to leave the fat, but just remove the skin. All right, very good. Honey poured over and sugar sprinkled on top next. This will turn it into honey roast ham as it cooks. Now, Roger, what's going on here?
Just cooking it with some liquid in it so it steams it a bit.
What is the liquid?
From the I was
cooking.
going to throw away.
Okay, and that will just add a little something.
Just not dry it out anymore.
Very good. Marvellous. I can't tell you how lovely this is when it's done. And now Roger's carving it hot for the party.